So I grew up here mostly in the Bay Area in San Jose with my 3 siblings. My parents did struggle with sobriety for my whole childhood pretty much, having to deal with being the mediator between 2 adults, at a very young age, something other kids I realized didn't have to do for their parents. They both had substance issues, they both had abuse problems, and that's what eventually caused us to get into CPS, and that's where I met Lil, my lawyer.
I first met Raquel when she was 12 years old. I just remember how worried she was about her siblings. She didn't feel that they were safe in the care of their parents, and she had called the police to get help. They contacted the Department of Family and Children's Services and decided to open a case.
Getting into CPS is something, scary and confusing, especially at such a young age. It's really hard to kind of feel like you are in charge of your situation, especially when you're being rehomed and you don't really feel like you have a say. But with Lil, you're always going to have a say with her because that's your attorney. She's your voice. She's there for you.
Children need lawyers because children need a voice in every arena in which they're in. They are underrepresented and don't have access to information and representation that adults have. The Children and Youth Program gives children that access, gives children that voice, gives them that agency to be at the table making decisions about their own lives.
Being involved with the Law Foundation and having, someone vouch for me and also tell me that, my own words matter as well, helps me to go into the real world and voice my own self and know that, I matter and that I have a purpose and my purpose is important.
Every court hearing that we have had, the judge has sung her praises and told me how wonderful and what a great job Raquel has been doing. And as she'll be exiting extended foster care very soon, I know she's just going to do amazing in anything that she does.
Working with Lil for over 8 to 9 years, it's impacted me in a way where I understand that someone other than yourself will be there for you, to kind of have your back, and you don't have to be alone all the time.
Raquel had every reason to not trust the world, to doubt everyone that comes into her life. And yet, throughout all of that, she became driven to take care of herself and to take care of the ones who love her. And it has been a monumental pleasure of my life to be able to watch Raquel grow into such an amazing woman.